Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a Telegram file not downloading. Recently, a lot of people have been having this issue of them trying to download files on their Telegram, but it is not working or it's not even responding. So first thing you have to do, you have to open up your Telegram app just like this. Then you click on this three horizontal line above your screen right there. Sorry about that. Click on that, open it up and click on settings, right? Scroll down and see data and storage. Click on that and make sure all these are turned off. Mine is turned up already. It's turned off already. So after doing that, you have to go to your Chrome browser or your Safari, anyone. Just open up your browser, search for proxy for Telegram, just like this, and wait for it to load up. Click on the first one right there, and what you need to do here, you have to connect to any country. So I'll be connecting to United States. Click on connect. Okay, it's going to bring you back to your Telegram. So you just have to connect to proxy, right? Connect, so you can now download files on Telegram just like this. You can see it's downloading now. It's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.